Hey, welcome to Will This Orchard Ever Be Completed? This is Boogie. Today we're here with my Eureka lemon tree, and I'm having a hard time here with the leaves growing. So we're gonna talk about what we need to do to get these trees to start growing leaves. All right, so here I am here with my Eureka lemon tree. And maybe some of you have had trees like this that perhaps are stubborn like this, or maybe perhaps you've made a mistake with them and they just won't grow the leaves. You know, sometimes they stay like this in this state, and then after a while they'll start to grow and they'll start to produce. In this situation with this lemon tree right here, I pushed this lemon tree a little too far. And what happened with me is that I planted this tree, still a very young tree, obviously. And when I planted it, it had 5 lemons on it. And I forced the tree to produce the lemons, which is the worst thing that I could have done for the tree, I think, because in the process, the tree did produce the fruit, yes, and the fruit did taste like lemons, it tasted good, but also in the process, what happened is that the tree started to lose leaves. And I think it was just overall just too much for the tree to handle at such a young age. So it's probably best when you have like younger trees to thin the fruit out, to just give it a little bit of fruit that it can manage to grow while you're growing the tree young. But you know, you may be in this situation right here for many different reasons with your trees. Sometimes trees just grow slow. It just takes a little time for the tree to mature. And so what do you need to do in the situation when you have a tree like that? What do you do? So in the situation when you want to promote root growth, what you have to do is you have to get in here and you have to cut the flowers off. When you cut the flowers off of the tree, it sends a message to the tree. And what's the message? The message is, I want you to focus on growing your roots, developing yourself, and growing more leaves. And that's exactly what I have to do in this situation. And that's exactly what I'm getting ready to do right now. So I did this before with this tree. This tree a couple months ago had a lot of flowers. And so I cut all the flowers off of the tree. And so what happened is you'll see the maroon brownish leaves. And these leaves are the new growth that came from me cutting the flowers before. So it works. And so, you know, I'm just gonna keep on doing it. I'm gonna do it again. Good picture here. These are the dark leaves. You can see the dark leaves, right? Those are the ones that are coming. It's a lot, okay? And then you can see the buds, the flowers. That's what I'm going to cut. Okay, so that's it. All of the flowers have been cut, and now I have given the correct message to my Eureka lemon tree to start focusing on growing the roots, developing that, and to start developing the leaves. Because see, when we have a young tree like this, in the beginning, we want it to have as much growth and be focused on doing the right things early. So even though I made a mistake, I'm now trying to prioritize giving this young tree everything it needs right now to grow. So I will circle back with you in the future to let you know how this is going. If you have found value in this video, please subscribe. All right, I'll see you next time. Take care.